Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. I think you have already learned how to draw human face from the front. Today I am going to teach you how to draw human face from the side, that is in profile. So let's start. So, first draw a circle and two intersecting lines which are at right angles to each other, and intersecting point coincides with the center of the circle. Draw a square that makes contact with the circle at all four corners. Here again, the top line of the square will become the hairline, the middle line will become the brow line, and the bottom line will become the nose line. Measure the distance from the center of the square to the bottom and use this measurement to mark the bottom of the chin. With a mark in place for the chin, we will draw the front edge of the face. Draw a curved line down from the top of the head to the bottom of the chin. And also draw the jawline from the chin to the center point of the bottom of the square. Now locate the eye line, which is at the halfway down the head. Here A is equal to B. The eye line is at the center of the head. Now draw the nose. See carefully the drawing of the nose. Now draw the eye and eyebrow carefully. Here you have to draw a single eye only for the side face. Next comes the lips or mouth. If we divide the distance between the nose line and the chin line into three equal parts, the mouth line will be at the top line below the nose. Here A is equal to B is equal to C. The mouth line is indicated in the picture. The line drawn for the ear will start on the eye line, extend up to the brow line, and then curve down, touching the nose line. Draw a couple of contour lines for the neck. Add some details to the drawing with a few hints of shading. Draw a contour line for the outer edge of the hair. Add some sorts of shading to the hair to make it feel like a form. Now slowly complete the portrait by adding more details and shading. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if there is any doubt or query, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.